Hi, Anissa Coy here with Firehouse Education, and this week's Ask Anissa video call. So we are here on a beautiful stopover, spending a few days on Fiji, or in Fiji I should say. We're here on the main island. It's been beautiful. We decided to stop here on our way home from Australia. We have just spent the week in Canberra, Australia, with an amazing company. We've been training there with them. David, I want to give a shout out to David and Linda. Hi to both of you if you're watching this, which I know you are. Of Steamatic in Canberra. Their company is phenomenal. We spent a great week there with them, and I so look forward to seeing all the great things that they're going to do in their contents division. So on that note, and speaking of contents, we're just going to roll right into it. I got an email from Cheryl. Cheryl actually sent me this email a bit ago, so I apologize for just getting to your answer, but I have been traveling a bit. The questions that she had for me were really fantastic. She asked, what are the requirements and responsibilities for a restoration contractor when it comes to doing a pack out and handling the non-salvageable items? And that is a really great question, Cheryl. So there are definitely some things that you need to know to be able to do, and there are some requirements that you're going to have to be aware of in order to be able to process this, especially when it comes to the non-salvageable items, not only for your homeowner, the insured, but for the adjuster or the insurance company as well. So let's talk about non-salvage first. Non-salvageable items are usually something that we have a conversation with our adjuster or a loss assessment person on a job. And that has a lot to do with the value of the item. It has a lot to obviously do with sentimental value to the homeowner and that sort of thing. So the important thing here about non-salvageable items is to really be very detailed when you do your inventory. Your inventory should be done just like your pack out, which is by the room, okay? So I wouldn't take 5 wicker baskets from all over the house and just log 5 wicker baskets. If there's 2 in the living room, you log 2 in the living room. If there's 1 in the kitchen, you log 1 in the kitchen. And so doing everything by the room is critically important when you're doing non-salvageable items or you're doing your pack out. That's because when it comes to contents, that is how we organize everything and can kind of break it down, if you will, into smaller chunks that a homeowner or an adjuster can deal with, okay? And it's a lot less confusing. So on the non-salvageable items, you want to be sure that you have, your photo inventory being done really thoroughly and really well. So now let's talk a little bit about pack out. When it comes to pack out, again, I know you hear me say this a lot, but I'm serious. This is the start of the job when you're doing the pack out. And this part, if you are not organized and systemized when you're doing this pack out, your job is going to go downhill from there. The pack out is when you first start the job and organize it. So if your pack out doesn't go well, not only are you going to have a mess to deal with when you get back to your facility to clean them, but you're going to probably have issues down the road with your homeowner because you're not getting things off to a very good starter on the right foot, if you will. So here's a couple of things I want to point out to you, responsibilities for the pack out. You are responsible for logging every single thing. Do not just put box of miscellaneous or assorted items when you're doing a pack out inventory. You need to label your boxes by the room. You should number your boxes, or if you have a barcode system, and each box's contents needs to be logged completely and detailed, okay, as well as photographed, by the way. So another thing on a pack out for you to realize is it's your responsibility to know how to pack that box, not only to minimize damage, but how to pack that box for efficiency. You need to know what items to pack together so that you can open that box when you get back to your warehouse and process it with similar cleaning types. So you want to make sure that you've done a little bit of triage when you're first, packing the box. For instance, don't put a bunch of contents and books in a box that has insulation all over and loose. You have to do a little bit of triage. So you've really got some responsibilities there, and you need to understand There's a proper way to pack a box. I know that may seem real simple, but it is if you know how to do it correctly. So I would say, Cheryl, the biggest thing for a restoration contractor, if you're going to do pack out and you're going to handle non-salvageable items, you definitely need training. You definitely need someone that is very detail-oriented and systemized doing this. And you need to have checklists, procedures, SOPs in place so that you know each pack out is getting handled the same way, same quality control, same efficiency, and same thoroughness, as well as you're logging non-salvageable items. Okay? All right, Cheryl, well, I hope that helped you and answered your question. You actually sent me several more, so I will be doing a few more Ask Anissa videos to go over those for you. I really want to thank you all so much. I have gotten a lot of feedback in the past few weeks and at some of the workshops that we've done where everyone has really thanked me for the videos and tells me how much they appreciate the videos and use them for their employee training. And my goal in 2019 coming up is to change things up a bit, and I'm going to give you more and more value here on the Ask Anissa videos and on my YouTube channel so that you can have a really good resource for not only yourself as possibly a business owner or a content manager, but for your team and your crew as well. So thank you so much. I do these videos for you, so knowing that you appreciate them, well, tells me I must be on the right track. And on that note, you have a fabulous weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, ring the little bell so you get notified when I put videos up. Be sure you are subscribed to rnrmagonline.com's e-newsletter so that you get this and lots of other goodies in your email box every Friday afternoon. And on that note, I will see you on next week's Ask Anissa video column.